Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable developer mode on iPhone iOS 18. Developer mode unlocks advanced features such as debugging apps, monitoring performance, capturing network packets, and installing beta and internal apps. Are you ready? Let's get started. Method 1. Enable developer mode via iPhone settings. First, go to your iPhone, tap Settings. Swipe down to find the Privacy and Security option, tap it. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You should see the developer mode icon. If it does, tap the switch to enable it. A window will pop up asking you to restart. Tap Restart. After your iPhone restarts, swipe up and enter your passcode to confirm that developer mode is on. Tip: if you don't see developer mode in Privacy and Security, skip to Method 2. Method 2. Enable developer mode with iCareFone, easy and free. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a data cable. Open iCareFone and click on More Tools in the left menu. In this menu, you will see Developer Mode. Click Turn On. iCareFone will immediately send the necessary configuration files to your iPhone. Once completed, unlock your iPhone and go to Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. You will now see Developer Mode. Click the button to turn it on, confirm, and then restart your device. After the restart, swipe up and enter your passcode. Developer Mode is now fully enabled. That's all about how to enable developer mode on iPhone iOS 18. If this guide is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to support me. I will continue to bring you more practical iPhone tips. Thank you for watching and see you next time.